The advancements in Chinese naval technology, particularly the Fujian aircraft carrier, is awesome. Unveiled in 2022, the Fujian aircraft carrier was an exceptional addition to the fleet of the People's Liberation Army Navy, or PLAN. This isn't just any aircraft carrier. The Fujian is larger than its predecessors, making it a formidable presence on the sea. This gargantuan warship embodies China's ambitions of naval superiority, signaling a new era in the country's naval history. This aircraft carrier will certainly change the geopolitical dynamics in the South China Sea, but size isn't its only distinguishing factor. There's been speculation that the Fujian might be China's first nuclear-powered surface vessel. This would mark a significant milestone in China's naval capabilities, potentially offering the ship unlimited range and endurance. The potential implications of such a development are profound, extending China's reach and influence across the globe and challenging the naval dominance of the United States. The Fujian's advanced features don't stop there. It's believed to be equipped with an electromagnetic aircraft launch system, or EMALS, a technology that catapults the aircraft from the ship, allowing for the launch of various types of aircraft, including stealth fighters and early warning systems. This level of technological advancement reflects China's strategic shift toward power projection, a departure from its traditional focus on coastal defense. The Fujian aircraft carrier, therefore, is not just a symbol of China's growing naval prowess, but also a solid confirmation of its changing military strategy beyond the shores of Asian waters. So the Fujian isn't just any aircraft carrier, it's a significant leap in Chinese naval capabilities. It represents the culmination of years of development and innovation, a tangible manifestation of China's naval ambitions. And with its advanced features and potential nuclear power, the Fujian is poised to reshape the dynamics of naval warfare, setting the stage for a new era of power projection at sea. One of the most impressive features of the Fujian is the Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, fondly known as EMALS. This advanced system is a giant leap from traditional steam-powered catapults, offering greater efficiency, precision, and flexibility. With EMALS, the Fujian has the potential to launch a wide variety of aircraft, including stealth fighters and early warning systems, dramatically expanding the carrier's operational capabilities. By using electromagnetic force, EMALS can control the aircraft's speed more accurately throughout the launch, reducing stress on the aircraft and increasing its overall lifespan. But that's not all. Images on social media have hinted at possible tests of the Fujian's catapults and arresting cables with fixed-wing fighter jets. These arresting cables are a crucial part of the carrier's recovery system, designed to stop an aircraft quickly and safely upon landing. The tests suggest that the Fujian is gearing up to operate a whole new generation of aircraft, further enhancing its tactical versatility. The Fujian's technological exploits and marvels also extend to its power source. Speculations suggest that it could be China's first nuclear-powered surface vessel, a feature that would offer unlimited range and endurance. This would mark a significant technological leap for the People's Liberation Army Navy, aligning it more closely with the world's leading naval powers. So, how is the Fujian holding up in the real-world testing environment, you might ask? Well, the Fujian aircraft carrier has embarked on a series of sea trials, including its most recent, which was the 7th in the series. These trials are a crucial part of the testing process, as they allow the crew to put the ship through its paces and test all its systems under real-world conditions. During these sea trials, eagle-eyed observers noted that the carrier was bereft of large aircraft on its deck. This absence points to possible tests of the carrier's advanced features, such as its electromagnetic catapults and arresting cables. These features are designed to launch and recover fixed-wing fighter jets, a key capability for any modern aircraft carrier. The importance of these trials cannot be overstated. They serve as a proving ground, a chance to identify and rectify any issues before the carrier enters operational service. The Fujian, for instance, has already carried out a touch-and-go operation, where an aircraft lands briefly on the deck before taking off again. Such operations test both the aircraft and the carrier, pushing their capabilities to the limit. These sea trials also have another purpose. They fuel speculation about when the Fujian might be delivered. Given the pace of the trials and the progress made so far, many believe that the carrier could be delivered this year. This would represent a significant milestone for China's Navy, as the Fujian is set to be one of the most technologically advanced vessels in their fleet. But what does the future hold for the Fujian? Well, it's expected that the carrier will continue its sea trials, testing and refining its advanced systems. And if all goes to plan, it could soon join the ranks of the People's Liberation Army Navy, ready to project China's power across the seas. The Fujian is not just a concept, it's a reality, and it's making waves. In the literal sense, of course, but also in the figurative sense. This carrier represents a leap forward in China's naval capabilities, and its progress is being watched closely by nations around the world. But what does the arrival of the Fujian mean for the global naval landscape? Well, it's a significant leap forward in China's power projection capabilities. This innovative vessel, larger and more technologically advanced than its predecessors, could potentially pose a greater threat to the United States and its allies. The Fujian's advanced capabilities, including its electromagnetic aircraft launch system, set a new standard for Chinese naval technology and operations. But China's ambitions don't stop there. The upcoming Type 004 carrier, which is expected to be nuclear-powered, aims to bridge the gap with the United States in carrier technology, operational experience, and logistical support. The Type 004, with its unlimited range and endurance, could further enhance China's power projection capabilities, marking a significant technological leap for the People's Liberation Army Navy. The Fujian, along with the forthcoming Type 004, is a clear indication of China's intent to not just match, but to compete on a global scale in terms of naval power. The Chinese aircraft carrier Fujian boasts several advanced features that make it a formidable force in naval power projection. Here are some of its key capabilities. Electromagnetic Catapult System. Fujian features an electromagnetic catapult system, EMALS, allowing it to launch heavier and larger aircraft than its predecessors. This technology enables the carrier to dispatch aircraft more efficiently and with greater payload capacity. CATOBAR System, the carrier's CATOBAR, Catapult-Assisted Takeoff but Arrested Recovery System, provides more plane launching power compared to ski jump carriers used by other countries. Advanced Air Wing. Fujian's air wing includes Shenyang J-15T, a catapult-compatible fighter jet, and the Shenyang J-15D, which is an electronic warfare aircraft. Shenyang J-35, a stealth fighter, Xi'an KJ-600, an airborne early warning and control, AEW&C aircraft, similar to the US Navy's E-2D Hawkeye, increased displacement and size, with a full load displacement of 80,000 to 85,000 tons and a length of 316 meters, 1,036 feet 9 in. Fujian is larger than its predecessors and has more room for aircraft and equipment. Conventional power. Unlike US supercarriers, Fujian is powered by conventional steam turbines and diesel generators, which might impact its operational endurance. Sophisticated flight deck. The carrier's flight deck features 3 electromagnetic catapults and an angled landing area with a resting gear, enabling safe and efficient aircraft operations. These advanced features make Fujian a significant addition to China's naval capabilities, allowing it to project power more effectively and operate independently in strategically important maritime areas.